Watch me get this from nothing. Obviously I don't have much to work with, but I got these and they're supposed to up you to cup sizes, or that's something like that. So let's try them. Reference for my small girlies and the 32AA. So these claim to be reusable, you just have to keep the little packaging. You can just tell how sticky it is by looking at it. Okay, so they're in. They don't look like much now, but let's put the other one in. So I did have to readjust them to make sure they were on right, and when I was tearing it off, I did notice that it does not hurt at all. These do not hurt at all when you take them off. So this is after I connected them into the middle. I love it. I feel like I can like stretch and I can move and it still stays in the same place. Before I'd use these, I usually just used these. I use these for all my dresses and my cosplays, just little drawstrings. But the only thing is it's pretty wide. You ended up always being able to see these wings on the side. The material is okay, but it's just nothing comparable to the silicone where it feels more real. If I were to wear this, you would be able to see the entire thing, as if this acts like you have nothing there, and I am in love with that. They're not going anywhere.